You can never poke into others' affairs.
Yes.
You can either speak your truth or hide your truth. There is no way you can poke into others' affairs. You are not poking into others' affairs.
Yeah.
You are speaking your truth.
But it needs a lot of courage to speak
To
that.
speak a lie, it needs courage, not to speak truth.
Yeah, that is correct. That is true, really. But for the common man, it is difficult to express.
For your example, there is no common man. Everybody is a god. I don't see any common man.
Yes.
Everybody is a god.
Yeah, that is correct. In that way,
He
we
doesn't
have to-
know, she doesn't know that she is a god, but I know that she is a god, he is a god.
Yeah.
There is no common man here.
Yeah, in your angle, everyone is a god.
Nobody is a common man.
Yeah.
Everybody is an uncommon man.
Yes, yes, correct.
Everybody is a great god.
Yeah. But then still, I wonder and I salute at the courage with which you came out and with the conviction, the determination, like that. That's what is amazing to me, even today.
It's my duty to do it. And I will do my duty.
So, now in meditation we are going about in
Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate Uttishta Narshardula Kartavyam Daiva Mahanikam.
yes,
It is Kartavyam, duty. It is divine duty. Or human duty. Or a scientist's duty. Or a yogi's duty. Kartavyam. Kausalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate Uttishta Narshardula Kartavyam Daiva Mahanikam. It is the divine duty of everybody to speak about the divine truth. What is the divine truth? Whatever is not tangible to your sense organs is divine. Divinity is not tangible to your sense organs. Okay. Kartavyam Daiva Mahanikam. Divine truth. Divine duty. Kartavyam, duty. Divine duty.
so it is the duty of everyone to speak
Duty
the
of everybody is a divine being and everybody has a divine duty.
duty. Yeah. To speak the truth and to
Yes,
help
yes,
others
yes.
not do the wrong things at least.
Karl Marx said, religion is the opiate of the masses. He spoke his truth. How dare he do that? He did that, isn't it?
Yeah, there.
Religion is the opiate of the masses. Karl Marx. Or the Upanishad seer said, Tattvamasi Shvetaketu, you are the God. You are that, not this. Jesus Christ said, I am the Son of God. And you are also Son of the God. I and you are one. What are these statements?
Correct.
I am the Son of God. He talked about the kingdom of God. Then the Romans got jittery. Yes. What kingdom? Naya kingdom ho raha hai idhar. Naya raj ho raha hai. So you crucify him. Kill him. And when he was being crucified, he expresses the view that these people don't know what they are doing. They don't know what they are doing. They are ignorant.
Even
You
to
pardon them.
He was compassionate even with
Yes. So,
very nice. Great master. So now coming,
Socrates, he was given poison. He said, you just say that I am sorry, I did a wrong thing, we won't give you poison. He said, I won't say sorry. I did not do anything. You give me poison, I will be happily taking it. Just one word they requested. Actually, we don't want to kill you, but just say sorry that you have done wrong. Then we will leave you. He said, sorry, I won't say sorry. You give me that poison, I will drink it happily. They requested again, please say sorry. One word from your mouth, say sorry. We leave you out. We don't want to kill you at all. We are very unhappy to kill you. But the government wants one sorry from you. One admission that you are wrong in criticizing others. I said, I am not wrong in criticizing anybody. I speak the truth. Give me that poison. I will drink it. He drank it happily. So I will also drink it. Give me some poison.
Really bow down to all the great masters who have spoken.
So
the
many
truth.
people are there.
Yes, yes.
So many
Not
great
only-
people are there.
Yes, yes. Really, really.
Gandhiji was thrown out of the station. He said, you are not first class, you are third class fellow. And in the night, in the fiery cold, on the platform, he was late. He was thrown out of the station with bag and baggage. He sat there like this, without any malice towards anybody. He carried on his satyagraha.
All fantastic.
So, we can learn something from a Gandhi. Can't we learn?
Yes, definitely.
We can learn something from a Socrates. Something from a Jesus. Yes?